guys, what is up? It's WWE's biggest fan there tonight. So, come back at you with another video. This video will be unboxing WWE Money in the Bank 20 more. And I got a new shirt. CM Punk. Yeah, I watched AEW all out last night. It was pretty awesome. Open this sucker out. Money in the Bank 2021. Roman Reigns, John Cena. Pictures in the back. Sorry, my lighting sucks. I wish you could see that better. I hear the disc is loose in there, so I'm trying to be careful. Sucks. I hate when that happens. It's happened to me a couple times, you know. Open this up. Oh yeah. Oh my god, that was bad. Yeah, it's a little scratched up. I gotta clean that up a little bit. Can't really see that, but yeah, that's pretty scratched up. But yeah, Money in the Bank. Pretty cool. I like that front one. My DVD player is pretty good at playing with stuff that has a couple scratches on it, but my one in the living room is not pretty good. The one in my bedroom is pretty good. The one in the living room sucks. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get this cleaned, but I hate when they come loose like that. Roman Reigns, John Cena. This was the return of John Cena. He had a pretty good pop. And you had Edge versus Roman for the Universal title. Kofi Kingston versus Bobby Lashley for the WWE title. Money in the Bank match. It's really good. Really good pay-per-view. Decent pay-per-view. I liked it. Money in the Bank 2021. My favorite match had it been probably have to be the Edge and Roman. I wish Edge would have won, but that's okay. And then Nikki Ash won the women's Money in the Bank. And Big E won the men's Money in the Bank. There's spoilers right there. Money in the Bank 2021. Sweet guys, this is gonna do it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Please drop a comment, like, and subscribe. I'll be back at you with more videos to come in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks for all the support. Peace.